Hi, I'm Omer Farooq, one of this year's Unilever Foundation Global Ambassadors. I'm here in the Philippines to see Oxfam's response to Typhoon Haiyan and Unilever's emergency response strategy in action. Our Philippines team, the Unilever Foundation, and its partners have been working hard to rebuild communities and restore a sense of normality. In the immediate aftermath of the disaster, Oxfam's priority was to prevent the spread of disease by providing clean water, toilets, and hygiene essentials. Oxfam prioritized pregnant women when providing support. They provided separate women-only washing areas and distributed special hygiene kits for moms of newborn babies. An important part of the program has been based on capacity building of the local government units and health workers on emergency wash and preparedness plans. What hit me the most was the widespread devastation caused by the typhoon, which is something I could have never imagined sitting back in my office. But I have been moved by how quickly our partners came to the rescue and are working day and night to help people get back on their feet. In the aftermath of a situation like this, 9 out of 10 children can die due to diarrhea. Studies have shown that hand washing with soap can reduce these diseases by 27%. Lifebuoy and Oxfam will be working together to achieve hand washing behavior change in an emergency context. I hope to be part of this as we pilot these programs here in the Philippines and back in my home country, Pakistan. This partnership is critical to deliver Unilever's strategy to increase our positive social impact as we grow the business. It is one of the key actions to help meet our ambitious goal of helping more than 1 billion people improve their health and well-being and in turn create a sustainable future. I'm really inspired to see the impact of a partnership with Oxfam and how well we have responded in an emergency situation. If you want to create a brighter future, share this video and help raise awareness about the good work that we are doing.